If you ever find yourself stuck in survival mode, maybe your chest feels tight, your thoughts won't stop racing, or you just can't seem to calm down. This simple technique can help your body come back to safety. It's called EFT tapping, emotional freedom technique, and it's one of the simplest, fastest ways to calm your nervous system and bring your energy back into balance. When we feel overwhelmed, our body produces stress signals that tell the brain we're in danger, even if we're not. By gently tapping on specific points of the body, the same points and energy pathways used in acupuncture, you're actually sending calming signals to your brain that say, hey, it's safe to relax now. It's like pressing a reset button on your stress response. And today, I'm going to walk you through the easiest possible version of it. No complicated phrases, no pressure, no need to do it perfectly. We're just going to breathe, tap, and repeat one simple reminder. I am okay. That's all you need. So take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. One more slow breath in. And as you exhale, release anything you've been holding on to. You can just follow along. I am okay. I am okay. Breathe in. Hold for a moment. Exhale. Do that for a count of 4 as you breathe in. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4 on each one. I am okay. I am okay. I am okay. Honestly, I've just been breathing in what felt right. I lost count. So do that for yourself as well. Hopefully, I'm not going too fast. I am okay. 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 And you can repeat if you like. Take one more deep breath in. I am okay. You are okay. Wishing you love and light from my soul to your soul.